Hi everybody! So this is my first YouTube video and I was going to show a look that I had done with Huda Beauty's new Desert Dusk palette. Love the colors, they're all very beautiful. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. And I'll just put that on there. I got a little bit too much. Whoops. But either way, I'm going to put it in there so that I could prime my eyes so that my eyeshadow could set better and, hopefully last a lot longer. So I've applied that. Then I'll be taking my BareMinerals Mineral Veil and I will just be packing that onto my eyes just to kind of set it. So first, I will be taking the color Eden, this color right here, and I'm just going to put that over my crease, just to kind of put in a little bit of a transition shade. And I'll just move that back and forth and swivel my brush around. And then to build it up, I'll be taking a bit more. Really building it up and blending it in and switching to the next side. I will just be doing the same thing and going back in with some more color. Just go back and put it on this side. Morphe M433. This color will be glazing. And I'll put that right in my crease. And I'll just sort of pat that in. And then go in. And I'll take a little bit more. But we'll bring it into this next eye. Doing that same back and forth motion and patting in. And I'll go back in with Eden all over again on that first brush, and I will just kind of blend out the color that was right above my crease so that I could keep that color there, since that was the very first color that we put down. A Simply Essential EO3 brush, and I'll be taking Ode out, but I'll take this and tap it into just the outer part of my crease, and then I will bring it in just to kind of deepen the crease and give it a little bit more depth. Just do the same thing, add it in the crease. So I feel that it is blended out. And then I'll go back in with my Morphe M433 and go back in with glazing and just kind of tap it in and brush it over Ode, and just to kind of blend it out a bit more, and using the color before that will help to dim the color in a way so that it will not just be a harsh line. So I'll just take that in run it through my crease again. And then I'll go with that very first color all over, Eden. I'll just go back above my crease. So for my lid, I will be using I will be using the color Celestial. I'm just kind of going all over the lid with that. I will be taking this shade right here called Angelic and putting it over Celestial, and I will be putting a bit of Wet n Wild's setting spray, although I have it in a MAC Fix Plus because I ran out of that. But you probably can't see the color right now. I just feel as if it adds a nice touch in person. I'll be doing some liquid eyeliner right now. I'm still not the best at this. I still do struggle greatly, but I mean, this is all about learning, right? I guess we're all just gonna learn together. Time, I'll get better. I'll keep practicing. I'll try and try and try, and hopefully succeed one day. And right here, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes, and I will be giving a few pumps because I feel as though I don't have a lot of lift to my eyelashes to begin with, so it'd be just nice to give them a few pumps of encouragement. Pump up, if you will. And usually when I'm putting mascara, I like to hold the camera below me, closer to my chin, and I will just go through because I feel that if I just look straight ahead into a mirror, I get it everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. So if I end up looking away too much to the point that you can't see, I apologize. My worst fear is just doing a face of makeup and getting it perfect for one, and just all of a sudden I just touch right there and get mascara everywhere. Sometimes I just have to take a breather and then realize that sometimes my life is in shambles when that happens. Before I put my false eyelashes, I'm going to go back in with the same colors that I had used earlier on my lids and on my crease and above my crease, and I will be using Eden, and I will just be going along my bottom lash line just to get a little bit of color. And then next I'll be taking a little bit of blazing and starting at the center of my eye, I'll be going out. I just feel so dry because I haven't done the rest of my face, and today will probably just be an eyeshadow look because right now it's nighttime, which will explain my lighting. And then I'll take a little bit of Ode and I will just kind of fluff that out at the end. And then maybe I'll carry it over just a little bit. But I will be going back over it with glaze. Just a little bit, and then I'll be going back in there with Eden. And so right now I'm just going to move on and do my lashes. And these are Ardell lashes, and they're in number 105, so they're pretty natural. And I'm still trying to get used to applying false eyelashes and walking around with them and feeling the weight of them on my eyes. I like to go above my eyelashes, flick my eyelash upward, and set it down. I'm moving on to my next eyelash. That is somewhere. Okay. And one thing to remember is that after each time that you wear your false eyelashes, it's always best to pick the glue off of them so that they'll last longer, they'll stick longer. That's something that I hadn't exactly learned to do until about a few months ago, and it just helped so much to keep the life of my lashes going even longer. But for me, it's just all about patience, to just sit there and pick glue out. I also procrastinate a lot. I will just kind of go in and press them in together. Then I will push the last band and make sure that it is down level. And I will put these lashes together. Honestly, one problem that I've always had with soft eyelashes is no matter how much glue that I put, my inner corner lifts or my outer corner lifts. It's all process, it's all about learning. And honestly, I hope to learn so much and to meet so many people along the way to help me learn and to give me tips and tricks and kind of be a support system for me, because I believe that that's what we should all be doing, is supporting one another and lifting up one another and teaching one another. I don't know. I guess we'll see where all of this takes us. Because honestly, I have gotten most of my encouragement from one of my good cousins. Her and I are really close. It's always so nice to have somebody that's always encouraging me. So thankful for my cousin for pushing me and encouraging me and always trying to get me to break my comfort level so that I could do something that I really think I would be good at. Something that she knows that I love and have a passion for. And honestly, one day I'll make her proud and I'll thank her for being there for me and being one of my #1 supporters alongside my mom. The last thing that I would like to add would be a brow bone highlight from the Lorac quad that's in the middle on the top row. And I will just run that over my brow bones. And I know that you can't see that and my eyebrows aren't done, but I feel as though it adds a really nice touch. And next, over that, I'm putting in the color right next to it. I just feel like these two mixed with each other are very pretty. Next, I will be going in with those same colors. I'll be going in with this one on the little sponge brush. And I will be patting that into my inner corner and patting it into my inner corner. And I will be taking that brighter shade and putting it right on top as well. And then sometimes I like to go over it with one of my fingers and just pat it in some more. And next, I should probably do eyeliner, or just do tight lining, just to kind of darken it up. About to where my pupil starts. I may just leave it like that. And so that is the end of this video today. You will just set it after. I know that this isn't the best tutorial, it's never gonna be the best, and I still have a lot to learn and a lot to practice with, but I would just like to say thank you for hanging in, if you did, and for watching my first video, and I really hope that you are my family. Anyways, until next time, thank you so much for staying. Always dream. Bye guys.